Hey folks, today I'm going to talk about the new magic command called setManage. This command provides a seamless mechanism to convert UC external tables to UC managed while minimizing downtime, handling concurrent writes, maintaining table configuration, and preserving table history. But why should I convert to UC managed tables? Well, first of all, you're going to benefit from predictive optimization. It's where Databricks optimize your data layout and compute using AI, so you don't need to manually handle operations such as optimize, vacuum, and analyze. You can benefit from automatic liquid clustering, where the system will intelligently select clustering keys, and as query patterns, Databricks automatically updates clustering keys to improve performance and lower the cost. You're going to also benefit from metadata caching. The system will benefit from a query performance by minimizing requests to the transaction log stored in the cloud. And last but not least, if you drop a managed table, Databricks deletes the data in the cloud storage after 8 days, reducing storage costs. While for an external table, you must manually go to your storage bucket and delete those files. Now let's move to my notebook. I'm gonna create my catalog. Then I'm gonna create a table called customers, which is gonna be in an external location. I'm gonna generate some fake data, then insert this data inside my external table. We can have a look at the table. We have many columns over there. Let me run now the describe extended. So as you can see, this is the schema of my table. And if you have a look at the type, it's an external table. Now let's say update my table. Whenever I have set the loyalty points to 9,999, whenever I have the customer ID equal to 1 or 2. If I run now the describe history, you're gonna see all the steps, all the operation applied on the top of this table. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my setManage command to convert this table from external to a UC managed one. For the purpose of this example, I'm using an interactive cluster, but I would recommend to use the job cluster to run this command, which can help you lower the cost. And you see it was fast, but again, because I have only few data in my table, I think I have 1 million rows. Now if I run the describe extended, I have the same schema, but now the table is managed, which is good news. I went from an external table to a managed table. And as you can see, nothing changed. I have the same catalog, the same schema, the same name, which is important, which means I no longer need to go and update all different notebooks to keep my workloads running. And I was also able to keep the same history. You see that when I created the table, when I did the insert and the update. And keep in mind, once you move your table or you convert your table from an external to UC managed, make sure to enable predictive optimization at the catalog level so you can benefit from the enhancement I mentioned at the beginning of this episode. I hope it was useful. Make sure to subscribe and see you soon.